G'day guys, today it's all about the lats with the lat pull down. Let's do it.
So the first thing we really need to look at when we're on the lat pull down machine is locking ourselves in. So that's setting that pad for our feet to really push up into. That allows us to push down into the positioning of the feet into the floor. So that really locks the lower body and the pelvis still. From there, the grips are really irrelevant. Just at the moment, we're just talking about the technique of the movement itself. The chest is up. You'll notice when I change direction between eccentric and concentric, so the pulling motion, I reset my torso, I activate my lats before I pull, and then I make sure I'm initiating with the lat, and I'm initiating and pulling really slowly with a super concentration on getting the lat firing. The lats are probably one of the hardest muscles to really activate properly in a high percentage of people. So, other things to really think about on the lat pull down. If you're really trying to isolate the lats, we don't want the torso moving and swinging back to get the weight down. Other things that I see people doing wrong really often is pulling down too far. You'll notice my wrist stays straight. As soon as the wrist starts to bend at the bottom, you've pulled down too far. You've got to find that sweet spot for yourself where you feel the lat working the most. That's your active range of motion, and going any lower is not going to activate the lat anymore. Alright, so nice still upright torso and just really concentrating on pulling with the lat muscle through the movement. Through the change of direction, I am putting the lat through a full stretch, and you'll notice there is a real requirement for shoulder stability with this exercise. So I shrug at the top, then I reset and I pull down without losing tension. This is really important. I often see shrugging of the shoulders going up and also shrugging of the shoulders coming down. So lower and mid traps have really got to be working well to be able to pull a decent amount of weight to grow the lats in this exercise. One other take-home message for this one is lock the lower body in as tight as possible. Generally by the end of a set of the lat pull down, my legs and my quads are shaking. Good work guys, cheers.